when the helicopter take off here, jingle bell rock, jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing, a distance of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell rock.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So we are here today to do a story time. We decided this would be quite fun. This is Super. You guys know him from previous vlogs. This is Babe's dad, and we just came here to kind of talk about like high school stories. Should we talk about like us linking up in high school?
Oh yeah.
Because I don't think Super ever heard them story. You never heard them story. Yeah.
Well, that bit, what's the name talk about?
Who that?
At the wedding.
Oh, yeah. But I went to a girls' school and he went to a boys' school. And we would link up and stuff after school and that.
Usually leave from George's and go over St. Hughes. Remember one day we go over St. Hughes and something was supposed to drop off here. When we reached it, like there was some program, something that go on at the school with some other schools. So when we reached him, so I can't come back out because we don't have school already. Get locked up in the school for the whole day, you know. Couldn't reach back at school, you know. For the whole day, I couldn't go back at school, I was locked up in the school. And the worst part of it, I didn't get to see her for the day. Yes.
Where were you even?
You know, some room, they might do some practice, some.
You remember when we did school and go up on the yacht?
Yes. Yes. Yeah, we leave school one day.
School.
Half day.
Him text me and say,
I'm bridging the
tired.
boat. Yeah.
That was fun.
I'm bridging pick you up a crossroad.
Yeah.
And we go Port Royal. And go out. I mean, I say, but I think I just on the boat where I go party, some picture thing I'm saying what it, but out of Maiden Key reach. Exam.
But we get lost when we come back.
Big time.
Where did we end up?
The boat run out of gas.
I know something's gonna happen to me.
You ever know say so she bad then time. As she influenced me to leave. She don't go to school in a super duper. You can't believe? Who you think?
You believe that?
As she said we have not go bother go school. I done bright already, so I go. But you forget one day we meet up at town, I take bus, I will take the wrong bus, I end up at Maypen. Maypen. I said, Daddy, Maypen read. Them time I never go Maypen.
But remember said me don't know if to take bus. Talk about that. Me
But
don't know
two
if
days
to
at the
take bus.
bus at talk and everything, and the bus reach at Maypen and I said, ask the doctor, what were they? I said, Maypen bus I take, but I don't Maypen with a try go. I don't come with a try go, but at the wrong place we go.
So you never hear no mention of where the bus go? He actually said it, but you just never hear it.
That's so fool. I
I
mean like an idiot. Me like an
You're
idiot
the
when I
worst
know
one.
to take bus.
So you're the responsible for the bus, and I like it never did I come back in a town. And now we don't have no money to reach back in a town. So that evening there, you wouldn't believe it. You know the back of a van reach back.
And open back.
Open back of a van.
In uniform?
In a uniform, I said. In a uniform, no super duper.
That wasn't as good as the helicopter ride.
Helicopter.
Don't you remember that?
How can you forget?
I'm a bridge from
Yes.
From up at camp.
Got lots of words you use.
I'm bridging.
For the adventure.
Yeah.
I'm bridging from up at camp, I'm a soldier. I tell him, say, impressing girlfriend, you know. Impressing girlfriend. I said, well, what thing we can do for you, we have some helicopter tour thing and we can get it for come up there and make sure come to. Super duper. Me never go on a helicopter yet.
It was scary.
Scary. When we reached there, I sit tie up with one something like, I don't know, like our mother and father buy one tie parachute something.
Okay.
She carried and things that
Yeah.
she carried the parachute
Was
something.
she gonna jump out?
No, but she carried like just in case. I don't know.
Hell.
But it was a Thai one. But me wonder what she have go with it. We were up on the helicopter now. Like no, before we even tell about getting on the helicopter. Taya, we up ourselves. Taya, we up ourselves super duper when she said it. But when I said Taya, we can't go on the helicopter, so we up.
Choo-choo.
But she scared. But she was scared before going on it.
Me don't know. So I said, wherever you can't go sit down for the people them, people them something with your rank up self. We'll go in there. When the helicopter super duper. When the helicopter take off here, so myself, I have something to the helicopter because of the first time that you must say, say from where there we have one little issue. I say, what kind of little issue? I say, what kind of little issue? Why when we choose to go up on the helicopter, you tell me about the issue and it a play out in front of them time. The helicopter couldn't land. The helicopter go round and round in a Kingston for almost 2 hours. Couldn't land.
I was going insane with that friend. But babe, that still wasn't the best. When we went to Barbados.
Super duper know so we go Barbados.
You go Barbados?
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah. Super duper know so we go Barbados. What me tell you super?
Nah, where was that?
I remember, you know with me, you know so me always I make links. Bridging, stop laughing.
You have no bridge.
My bridging is some
You have no bridge.
Where the place, the tinsel pen,
Yeah.
they have some little plane.
I know them little plane.
Yeah, I must say them have some experiment flight and thing, but imagine all that time I say them fly go Barbados and come back for some testing, but me think a joke.
So, can I mention that?
Eh?
Can I mention that?
Him father owned something to do with like engineering.
Okay.
Engineering company where deal with the airline. Anyway, Taya, are you tell me say you helicopter? And when I tell you about the man and the plane thing, I say, make we experience it. I tell you the man say them fly go Barbados and have to go Barbados. She said, alright, let me say alright then good. Super duper. This was I wish the other week. You remember? Wednesday? I know school time.
You never left on holiday?
Yeah. The plane take off and I say I do normal island tour and go around and thing and super duper.
So you never actually land?
At Barbados?
Yeah.
Super duper land at Barbados and when it land at Barbados, he must say, I know something this was supposed to do, but we like for this just show him them have access to the plane and them know some of the man them who run the airport.
Yeah.
Super duper. A big team because when the man will land the plane at Barbados and when the whole heap of the authorities, them whole heap of police and things that they come up. I say, oh, go on. So
but we did end up staying at Sandals, so it didn't matter.
Yeah, we have to stay like for a little while. We have to stay for a little while. How long are them in this year?
Yeah.
How long will this stay? At the same, I not even remember. A long time, at the same day?
This must be a makeup story.
No.
It's gotta be a makeup story.
Taya, she a laugh again, you can feel so story.
Yeah, man. It got to be a makeup
I'm
story.
weak. Super.
Nah, sir.
Because this is a telling lies to see for my father-in-law notices.
What point were you like losing us, like wondering what the hell?
From the beginning, because I was like, nah. Even if I hands bite this man, I don't know. Pop, 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 pop. Right, okay, I said him gone. Pop, 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 pop. He said no.
Yo, you know what though? Babe just talks with a dead straight face.
Yeah.
Like, dead straight straight face.
Hey, I'm telling you, man.
Oh.
I'm sitting down we start to picture, you know, the back of van and everything. I'm like, right. That's
In a uniform.
The uniform.
The thing is, right,
I couldn't breathe.
I'm looking and I say, oh, Mitty, it's like she can't take it no more. Mitty start sliding run, and try hiding. I say, uh-oh. Look, Mitty's put them the way around this. And then the helicopter thing was like, right. But then now, Barbados, I said, that's a bit extreme now.
Barbados. What
And I say like,
What did
that
that
means I know my son then.
But this is the thing, like, you know everything. So he was just like,
I'm saying, not really stop it because I'm going to listen.
Because you want to know if we go to Africa too. You want to know.
No, but I tell you, other than like, if I can guarantee that all who was watching probably believe. Yeah.
He's good. Alright, guys. If you enjoyed this prank, let us know in the comments down below. Please like this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up. Share with all your friends and family. And we'll see you in another video. Bye.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock.